work on this. So first of all, we have 6 miles and 1,875 feet minus 2 miles and 2,304 feet. So we see that the bottom number is greater than 1,875. So what do you do in this situation? We want to convert our feet into miles. So we know that 1 mile is 1,760. So I'm going to write 1,760 because 1 mile is 1,760 feet. With this, I'm going to multiply times 3 because I have to go from miles to yards to feet. So first I will multiply. So 0 times 3 is 0. 6 times 3 is 18. Carry the 1. 7 times 3 is 21. Add 1 more, 22. Carry, 1 times 3 is 3. 2 more, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5,280. Now I need to add my bottom number to this number. So, my top number, sorry, I apologize. I want to add my top number to this number. So 1,875 feet. So I add, so remember, I need to take my feet and then from feet, go to yards, and then I'm gonna add now. So 0 plus 5 is 5, and then 8 plus 7 is 15. Carry the 1. 2 plus 8 is 10. Add 1 more, 11. And then 5 plus 1 is 6, and then 7. So 7,155. So now what I want to do is I'm going to scratch this out, and it would be 7,155. And remember, as I regroup, this becomes a 5. And now I'm able to, what? To subtract. So as I subtract, I'm able to now work on my answer. So 5 minus 4 is 1. And then 5 minus 0 is 5. And here I have to borrow. This becomes 11, 7, and then the 7 become a 6. So 11 minus 3 would be 8. And then 6 minus 2 is 4. So 4,851 feet. And then I regroup. 5 minus 2 is 3 miles. So that is my answer. So remember, when the greater number is at the bottom, you need to change your feet into miles. But here, I had to first look how many miles in a yard and then multiply, and then I would add my answer to the top number. I know this is difficult. I know that in order to do this, you need to follow the chart that's on my board. And now let's do the bottom one. The bottom one's going to be a little bit more tricky. So here, 9 gallons, 2 pints, 3 gallons, 7 pints. So here we see that the bottom number is bigger. So we need to regroup. So we know that in 1 gallon, there is 8 pints. But first, I could add, like I always do, 2 plus 7 is 9 pints. And then from here, I want to I can't just add here because I need to regroup. I need to change into gallons as well. So when we look at gallons, there's 8 gallons. So I'm going to go 9 gallons divided by 8 pints is 1. So 9 plus 3 is 12. Add 1 more, that's 13 gallons. And that is my answer.